Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Borden-Carleton is a small town located at the western gateway to Prince Edward Island in Prince County. It sits on the southern shore of the island, directly beside the Confederation Bridge, which links Prince Edward Island with New Brunswick across the Northumberland Strait. The town has a population of about 800 people and serves as one of the first communities many visitors encounter when arriving on the island. Its location has made it an important transportation hub for generations. Long before European settlement, the area was used by the Mi'kmaq people, who traveled throughout the region by canoe and along established routes. During the 18th and 19th centuries, European settlers established farming and fishing communities along the coastline. The villages of Borden and Carleton later developed separately before officially merging to form the town of Borden-Carleton during the late 20th century. Transportation has always been central to the community's history. Before the Confederation Bridge was built, travelers crossed the Northumberland Strait by ferry between Borden and Cape Tormentine, New Brunswick. The ferry service operated for decades and became an important connection between Prince Edward Island and mainland Canada. When the Confederation Bridge opened during the late 1990s, it replaced the ferry service and dramatically changed travel to and from the island. The Confederation Bridge is one of Canada's most impressive engineering projects. Stretching almost 13 kilometers across the Northumberland Strait, it is the world's longest bridge crossing ice-covered waters. Since opening, it has become both an essential transportation link and one of Prince Edward Island's most recognizable landmarks. The bridge has strengthened trade, tourism, and travel while making year-round access to the island much easier. Agriculture continues to play an important role throughout the surrounding region. Prince Edward Island is well known for potato farming, and many farms near Borden-Carleton also produce grains, dairy products, and beef cattle. Fishing remains another traditional industry, with nearby coastal communities supporting lobster, shellfish, and other commercial fisheries that contribute to the island's economy. One of the community's most popular attractions is Gateway Village, located near the entrance to the Confederation Bridge. The complex offers restaurants, shops, visitor information, and exhibits that introduce travelers to Prince Edward Island. It has become a natural stopping point for people arriving on or leaving the island and contributes significantly to the local economy during the busy summer season. Housing in Borden-Carleton remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities, although prices have increased in recent years as demand has grown across Prince Edward Island. Average home prices generally range between $300,000 and $450,000 depending on size, location, and condition. Waterfront homes and properties with bridge views often command higher prices. Today, Borden-Carleton serves as much more than simply the entrance to Prince Edward Island. Its history, strategic location, agricultural surroundings, and beautiful coastal scenery make it a destination in its own right. Whether visitors arrive to cross the Confederation Bridge or stay to explore the area, Borden-Carleton offers an excellent introduction to the people, landscapes, and traditions that define Prince Edward Island. watching.